I will share my poem about Afro-Asian culture. My poem is Pearl of the Orient. Pearl of the Orient. In Southeast Asia's heart, a gem is found. The Philippines with beauty all around. From Manila's street to Boracay's shore, a nation's charms forever in store. With warm smiles bright and hospitality true, Filipinos welcome with hearts anew. In fiestas and fests, tradition abound, a culture rich with stories unbound. From Caldera's mountain high and grand, to Palawan's beaches, where sea meets land, the Philippines shines like a pearl so rare, a treasure trove beyond compare. With resilience strong and spirits bright, the nation rises through day and night, and diversity, unity found. The Philippines, a beauty profound. That's all. Thank you for listening my poem.